Google Calendar has made it very easy for everyone to stay productive using their free calendar tool. Google Calendar makes life easier and helps you stay productive throughout the day. In this video, we're going to look at 5 Google Calendar tips and hacks for productivity. This will surely keep you organized and help you achieve the most from your day. First on this list is Cal.new shortcut to add a new event. Cal.new is a shortcut to add a new event without having to open Google Calendar in your browser. You simply open a new browser tab in Google Chrome or Safari and type in cal.new to add a new event to your Google Calendar. This shortcut saves time by avoiding all the pages you need to navigate before landing on the new event page on Google Calendar. Second on the list is adding daily tasks. Adding your daily tasks to Google Calendar will help you focus on the most important things in your day. This will help you achieve more by keeping you focused on your main goals. To add your daily tasks to Google Calendar, you simply log into Google Calendar, click on Create, and then select Tasks from the drop-down. From there, fill in the task details including name, description, date, and time, and then save your tasks. You can download the Google Tasks app on iOS or Android to keep it handy on the go. Number 3 on this list is adding separate time zones in a Google Calendar event. When setting up a meeting between you and another person in another country in a different time zone, it may be challenging with keeping up with the time if set in one particular time zone. However, Google Calendar makes it simple to add separate time zones to an event to keep everyone updated with the exact meeting time. To use separate time zones in your Google Calendar event, open an existing event or create a new one in Google Calendar. Click on time zones next to start and end date, and then check the box for use separate start and end time zones. Now select the various time zones you want to include and then click on OK to save separate time zones. Number 4 on the list is changing Google Calendar start day. By default, Google Calendar shows Sunday as a start day on the calendar. If you're like me and are rather comfortable seeing the week begin on Monday, you can change this in the Settings tab on Google Calendar. To do this, you first open Settings in Google Calendar, click on View options under General, and then choose Monday to start the week on your calendar view. You can now return and see your new changes. Number 5 on this list is activating public holidays automatically in your calendar. Google Calendar makes it simple to keep up with public holidays. This will help you know in advance upcoming holidays and the best dates to schedule your events and tasks. You can also plan something for these holidays, for example a sale, discount, or even a party. If you're wondering how Google Calendar can tell all the public holidays in almost 219 different countries, kindly note that Google operates in all these different countries and is physically present in almost every region on the surface of the earth. To activate public holidays in your Google Calendar, you first open Google Calendar and then you find other calendars below my calendars, and then click on the plus symbol next to other calendars. Select browse calendar of interest. Under regional holidays, click on browse all and choose the countries you want their public holidays to show in your calendar. Go back to your calendar view and see changes. Finding a great calendar tool that can help you automate your workflow can keep you productive. Although I did not include this in the list, but right from your smartphone, you can add a new event using your voice with Hey Google. If you need to send an email to your colleague at 3:30 p.m. and you just remembered, you can just say, Hey Google, remind me to send an email to George at 3:30 p.m. and just like that, you'll be reminded. Hey, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for sticking with me, and please do well to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.